Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making the first API call. This gets you immediate feedback. Enable the Analytics API in Google Cloud, create an OAuth client or service account, and download the JSON key so your app can authenticate. Once done, install the official client library for your language and set the environment variable pointing to the key file. Then run the sample quick start to request basic metrics. This proves credentials and connectivity before you build queries. You now focus on authentication flow and constructing requests so data flows reliably. If you need user-specific data, implement OAuth consent. For automated pipelines, use a service account with proper permissions. Next, craft the reports request, set the property ID, date range, metrics, and dimensions, and test a small date range to validate results. Make sure to respect quotas, implement pagination for large result sets, and add retry with exponential backoff to handle transient errors gracefully. You finish by processing responses, persisting results, and validating accuracy so your pipeline is production ready. Parse the API rows into your schema, convert types and timestamps, then load into BigQuery or your database for analysis. Once stored, run sample queries to verify counts against the UI. If things go wrong, first recheck scopes, account permissions, and that you use the correct property or measurement ID. These are the most frequent misconfigurations and quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.